This is the mic test of this ST-600 by Sudotack. So this is a condenser mic, so things to keep in mind. It is very sensitive. It captures even the tiniest bit of sound that is going on inside your room. So right now you can hear the sound of my fan, which is way over there at the back of my room. And of course, if you do not have a treated room and you have so many dogs at home, I don't recommend that you use a condenser mic because yes, it will pick it up. And I know we can use the crisp in our desktop, but if you're a musician and you need to take classes or say do live with a guitar and you use crisp, it will sound so weird that it will hurt the ears of the other people on the other end rather. So let's do some of the tests that we always do with a microphone. Let's do a type test first so you can hear how much of the keyboard with brown switches it will pick up. And the shock mount, if it's working, because they designed this ring here to be like a shock mount. So it's supposed to not have vibrations when you tap on your table. Is it working right now? You can tell by the way it sounds. Now let's try to do the type test. Okay, so that's it with the type test on this ST-600. Of course, finally we're going to do an instrument test. This is how it's gonna sound like with a guitar. Test. Now, this is around $21.99, and in the Philippines, you can get this at Lazada for 900 pesos. For its price, in my opinion, it's still worth it if you really need a microphone for voice calls, for work. But if you're a teacher and you need a really good sounding microphone which will suit your house that might not have a treated room, then you really have to go for a dynamic mic like this one. But if you do have a quiet room, this will definitely work. So I'm going to switch to my dynamic mic so you know the difference. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So this is how it's gonna sound like with a dynamic microphone. Thank you for watching this mic test with the ST-600.